What's up, everybody? Scott Davis here with Hive Nashville. Today, I've got a treat for you. I'm in Columbia, Tennessee, checking out a completely renovated log cabin estate. This sits on 15 acres. It's got over 4 buildings on it. It's got horse stables, a lake house. It's got a guest house. And the current property, the main property we're getting ready to look at, is over 4,100 square feet. It's got 4 bedrooms and 4.5 baths. This would make an amazing Airbnb. This would make an amazing primary residence, and you could Airbnb out a property. There's so much you could do here. It's incredible. The 15 acres are beautiful. This is listed for 1.9 million. I can't wait to show it to you. Let's go look. Okay, it's just starting to rain on me, so I'm gonna make this kind of quick out here, but this front porch is amazing. We're gonna turn around and show you the view. Tennessee rain. Here it comes. Okay. Look at that porch swing. You are going to love what we see inside. Let's go. Walk into the main entrance. You've got living room. So much custom going on in here. I'm not even gonna be able to get a little storage area under the stairs. Your Harry Potter spot. Okay, here's your primary bedroom. There's another room on the other side of the house upstairs that could also make for a great primary. I mean, the fireplace, look at that. I love the fireplaces that are on the floor and not built up. Here's your primary bath. Gorgeous, everything is gorgeous in here. So something cool is this closet connects to the laundry, which also connects to the kitchen. And the laundry, got a sink. Okay, prepare to be dazzled. Gas. This property has natural gas. It's not propane, it's natural gas. Double oven. See the fridge? Notice the amazing double fridge. Should also tell you, these logs were taken from pre-Confederate log homes. Look at the floor. The floor is incredible. Walk in, opens up to the dining. And the pantry. Okay, I'm gonna go upstairs first. Here's the other upstairs. Here's a bedroom. Now this is the room I was talking about. They're using this as like a family entertainment room, but this could also be an amazing suite. Got a bathroom, full bath over here. You've got a little room with a sink. This is a back door exit. This could be another little bedroom because you have a full bath right here. And this is like a nice little storage area. So let's go back over to the other side and I'll show you the other upstairs. I should have shown you that first, but I wanted to show you how the bedroom comes out over here. So here we are back into the living room. And we're going up to where we can hear the rain. Got a little sitting room in here. Here we are. Stone fireplaces. This place is incredible. I hate that it's raining. I wanted to show you the barn, the lake house, the guest house. I guess I'll have to see how bad it's raining out there. Here's one more view of the kitchen. Okay. Here is part of the guest house. It's the garage part. It stopped raining long enough for me to do this, so I'm gonna make this quick. A lot of the rest of the property needs updating. I mean, this is fine, the garage is fine. You can see over there is the barn. This has like an outdoor shower. You can see. How cool. Okay, so here's the guest house part. It's got a little kitchenette over there you can see, and there's a bathroom back in there. Make a living area. Electric is not turned on out over here. We need to put a shower in, but I mean, this is has so much potential. Look, it's got good bones. The ceiling, everything's great. It just needs some, wouldn't take much at all. Okay, we're gonna run down over here. You are about 45 minutes from Cool Springs, which is kind of like Brentwood / Franklin, Tennessee. I would say you're a good hour away from Nashville proper. Oh, the pond, yes. That is technically not part of the 15 acres, but the sellers said that they would be willing to write into the deed access and rights of use. Okay, so this is a cool little area you could use for all kinds of fun stuff. Got a nice cool drain, look at that. I mean, I am in love with this property. Now this doesn't have AC or anything, this is just an old cabin. They're calling it a lake house. But the stuff I could do with this property, it's got a little loft up there. It's got electric. This is just asking to be a bathroom or something. cute little porch. Look at the view. All right, we're gonna go over to the barn. Okay, so here is the barn. Got some more garage doors. I believe we're going to be entering into the upstairs, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, we are. Okay, a little workshop here. I mean, there's so much you could do. Looks like that was could be a cool little office area over here. Yeah, look at that. This room is awesome. Okay, so here's your view. You got some fans up there. I mean, this is huge. This building is so big. I'm just overwhelmed with all kinds of ideas right now. I'm trying to not keep talking and sound like a big dork, so I try to not talk too much on my video walkthroughs anyways, because I want you to see this and not just babble I'm introverted, so I don't mind silence. I'm comfortable with it. Man, gotta kick those fans on over there. All right. This place is definitely one for the books. Not the typical kind of video tour I get to do every day. This is one of the reasons I love what I do. This is so cool. Some lucky person or persons is gonna get to own this property. Again, 1.9, 15 acres. Columbia, Tennessee, Maury County. You've got natural gas. I mean, you're about 15 minutes from historic downtown Columbia, and you're about 45 minutes from Cool Springs Mall and all of the dining and shopping and stuff like that, which is where my family likes to go. Okay, I could walk around another 20 minutes here. Got a pond over there. It's a pond, a little koi pond or something. I mean, so awesome. I feel like I'm at a bed and breakfast. I don't know what that is over there. Leave a comment below if you have any idea that circular, I mean, do they have like a cyclone or some kind of feed storage thing on that? What was that? I don't know. Okay, so there you have it. That's 15 acres in Columbia, Tennessee. Beautiful, completely renovated log cabin estate. 15 minutes from downtown, historic downtown Columbia, and about 45 minutes from Cool Springs. If you like videos like this, please like and subscribe. It really helps out my channel a lot. I do video tours all the time. And if you have any real estate needs in the surrounding Middle Tennessee area, Nashville area, please reach out to me. I would love to help you. I get contacted from people like you every day, and I absolutely love it. My name is Scott Davis. I'm with Hive Nashville, and I will see you in the next video.